In this video, I would like to show you all the feature of Etoro platform. Let's start from the beginning. Right under the Etoro logo, here will be your profile picture, and this will be your username. My profile or my account is under my company, one room, but if you have your personal username, that will be in here. Underneath you might not have my dashboard because this is a company account. This one has my dashboard because people are copying us, and the details of who is copying us, it's all in here. Underneath you have you can choose if you want real portfolio or virtual portfolio. If you want to learn by trading on virtual portfolio, you click on virtual, and then you can buy and sell company and learn. Later we have watch list. So in here you can create your own watch list, and you can follow those companies and buy and sell from them. So to create a new watch list, you click here and you write, say, my top 20 businesses. Click create. Now you have here, you can add any business you want here now. So you want to add Tesla, Apple, Amazon, and the other businesses you like, you add in here. Now on the right there is a setting buttons. You click here and you can set this as your default page. So whenever you open up Etoro and you click on watch list, it will come and open this watch list for you because you set this as your default watch list. Now look at these buttons here. So add market means you can add more instruments like any other commodities or crypto or currency from here if you want to add more in this list. Then you have rearrange or remove. So if you want to delete one by one all of them or some of them, you can do that from here. But if you want to delete the whole watch list, there is another button here called delete watch list. Launching pro chart means if you click here, you can sometimes you might want to follow 4 or 5 companies at the same time. So you can just click in here and choose your layout. You can choose 4 companies at the same time, and in here say you want to follow the price of a 4 different company. You don't need 4 different monitor. You can just set up 4 different instrument right in one monitor here, and you can follow 4 different companies at the same time. Sometimes if you day trade or if you're buying and selling in the same day or any other instrument, you might want to see the price in different timeline for the same company. Say if you want to see Apple's price in 2 different timeline, now you adding same company in 2 chart, and now this might be for 1 day chart, and you might want this one in 15 minutes chart. So now you can follow Apple's price movement. So this one candle is every 15 minutes price movement. So even the 15 minutes price movement, price is going down. You see the daily price, if you look at the history, its price is actually going up. So this gives a good information of of any instrument if you want to buy it right now or wait or sell if you look at multiple time frame. So sometimes you might look at even longer time frame, even week. So you might want to see Apple's price, well, what's been happening in like weekly. So in this chart we're seeing weekly price, this one is daily, and this one in 15 minutes. So it's just the pro chart is just to help you out with the different instrument or different time frame in the same instrument. Then we have set price alert. So if you want to add a alert on your price, say Tesla is selling now $705, but you want to wait until the price come down to 650 or 600. So you can here set an alert for say 600, So when the price come down to 600, then Etoro will send you a alert to your phone, send you a message, or on your app it will show up like a notification that price came down, so it's time for you to buy. Create alert. So alert is here. You see there is a sign on the left. That means I've just created an alert, like a bell in here. Done. Then we have one-click trading, which is, if you want, so if you want to buy this company now, you are selecting the price and how much you want to buy and leverage, but you can set this up beforehand, so you don't have to set it up every time if you're buying and selling multiple times in one day. So you can set this up beforehand, and you can just click on buy or sell. It will just automatically will be done right away rather than doing it. Then you have this button here, which is just to organize this if you want them in square size or in horizontal. I prefer horizontal because it just looks more cleaner. Then you have this button here. This is just to, if you have a lot more instrument in here, if you have a lot of cryptos, a lot of commodities and a lot of stocks, and if you want to see, say, just crypto in this list, you can just click in here and click on crypto, and it will show you just crypto. Okay, then let's go to the top 3 buttons here. So this button is to write. If you want to write a status like Facebook status, you can add a picture, and you can add a $sign, and if you put an instrument sign in here, it will actually tag that instrument in here, so your post will show up in that instrument's timeline. Then you have share button if you want to share your post or anything with anyone. Then you have this button, notification button. So if someone is following you or copying you or mentioned you, the notification will come in here. Let's go on the left side. After watch list, we have this portfolio button, which I believe the most important button in the whole platform. So under portfolio, you have all the companies you bought already. It will show you in here. So you can organize them by profit loss or by invested amount, by current rate, or by fees, or by leverage. You can organize them any way you like. Keep in mind, in portfolio, it's showing all the position you opened in here. Say for example, in Bitcoin, I might have multiple positions open, but it's showing me altogether how much I have invested here. Say 11,000 altogether here. If I click in here, it's showing me that multiple position opened in here. So if I want to trade them manually, click on portfolio, and there's a right button in here. You can click in this one. It will show you all the manual position. If you just click on close, it will close only one position from here. So that is manual trading. And then if you click on the round button again, it will show you all the exposure in here, how much you have on crypto, how much you have on stocks, how much on ETF, and all the allocations. Then we go to portfolio again. Then we see the left button here, the history button. So that's where you click to see the money you have deposited, or if you have closed any position. So if I close one Bitcoin position now, say for example this one, I'm gonna close this now, and I got $2,000 profit in here. I'm closing it. So if you go back to portfolio, go to history, see, I just closed it, it showed up in here. So it was a $10,000 investment and $2,000 profit, 21% profit loss. Everything is showing in here. If you deposit now, it will show up in here, and if you withdraw any fund, it will show up in here as well. Just because we are in here, I'm going to show you another trick. If you want to see, click in here. If you want to see the record of your, like the statement of your total account, like for like tax purpose or something, you can click in here. It's not showing because don't have enough account in here. Okay, we can go back again, click on portfolio settings, and then click on this button here. It's not showing. Okay, let's go show you on the real account. Go to real portfolio, and we go to settings, go to our history. Now it's showing account statement. You click on account statement, and then it's going to show you you choose how many months you want. I can choose 3 months from October 1st. Show me. So it's showing me last 3 months account statement, how much I've deposited, how much how much withdrawal, or how much fees they charged, how much profit, everything in here. And if you want to know in details for every company you bought and sold, you can see more pages in here. There are 125 pages you can go through. The last page shows you the financial summary of total profit loss and total fees, and a summary of everything, I guess. Okay, let's see. The next button is newsfeed, where it's like a Facebook Facebook feed, where everyone's talking about what instrument or what company to buy and sell. Everything shows up in here, just to give you an idea which company to buy or sell. Then we have trade markets. This is to show you the stocks, ETF, and crypto, all the instrument Etoro offer. Shows you all the instrument. And if you click on stock, you can choose by industry or by exchange. If you want to buy some European companies or Hong Kong Chinese companies, you can go to Hong Kong market and choose any of the companies you like from here, add to your watch list, or you can buy and sell them. Then you have copy people. Here you choose if any particular person you want to copy. So sometimes you might not have enough time to research and buy and sell company. You might just want to copy someone and be done with it, and whatever return they get, you'll get the same return. Say for example, if you like this person here, if you click on his profile, you see 2020 he made 12% profit, and you might think, oh, okay, he's alright, I want to copy him. So you can just go click copy, and you can I can't copy because it's a company account, but if it's a personal account, you can just put the amount you want to copy, 200 or 300, and you can start copying him, and whatever results he gets, you'll get that result. The biggest problem with copying is you cannot buy and sell a particular company. For example, like we make no company run up on a straight line. Some company, well, most companies will go up, always up, down, up, down, up, down. So one of the best way to make money in the stock market is you're buying a company when they're on support, and then selling when they're on resistance. Buying again support, selling again resistance. So you can't really do that in when you copy someone, because if they are doing this, you're just getting that benefit, but you cannot. You're buying, you're actually copying their total portfolio. That means you're buying, if you copy $1,000 of your money, you're buying all of this company he bought, and whenever he sell, you are selling. So pretty much you're relying on his success. So this is something I don't like. I like to do things myself and trust on myself rather than trusting on someone else. But some people are still copying because it's just easy to do. Don't need to spend a lot of time. The other disadvantage is the person you're copying, you don't know the person. So that person might have great performance last year, and this year actually he might have some emotional problem, or he might have some personal issues, so his performance might be really bad. So you are risking your money on someone you don't know, and you don't really trust, I guess, in a way. Okay, next we have investing copy portfolio. So this is like a big market you're copying on. So portfolio different kind of portfolio you can copy. You can copy, say, only crypto portfolio, or medical sciences portfolio, or renewable energy portfolio, or you can copy portfolio of a particular person, you know particular trader, or they have their partner companies you can copy. So it depends on where you want to invest your money, I guess. Later we have club dashboard. So in here they shows which club you're under. So if your money is more than 10,000, you are under gold club, and then when your money is 25,000 plus, you will go under platinum, and then when it's 50,000 plus, you go under platinum plus. And there is another tier when you have 100,000 plus. I forgot the name, I guess that one. And then shows you who is your manager. Down here the Etoro money, which is like Etoro is offering a Visa debit card, which is you can access your money with. Then you have invite friends. So in this, you just share this link. If your friend wants to open up an account with Etoro, then you get $100. Your friend get $100 as well if someone else sign up with your link. Then you have help button, where you can find all the common answers of your questions you have. You can type your questions in here. Guide is the button where it's like a Etoro is guiding you to know all these buttons, what I'm doing right now actually. Then you have withdraw funds. Very easy. The money you want to withdraw, say you want to withdraw $100, you can withdraw from here, but there will be a $5 fee if your account is less than 25k. But when you have 25,000, your account reaches to a platinum tier, then there is no more charge. So if you want to withdraw $100 now, you have to put $105. So $5 will be the charge, and $100 you are taking. Then you go submit, then you go continue, then you go continue again, and then you choose the reason behind you withdrawing fund. I just choose withdrawing profits. Continue. Then any of these card you used to deposit your account, the money will go back to that card. You just go continue, then done. I don't want to withdraw any money, so I'm gonna cross this. Then we have settings. So under settings you have 5 buttons. So first one is general, to change your currency or language in here. Then you have your account, if you want to change your username or password or email in here. And you have your trading experience, if you just wanna change when you first open the Etoro platform, where do you want to land. That's what you can choose in here. You want to land in chart or overview or manual trades, you can choose in here. Notification is you can choose here what kind of notifications you want to get. You can turn them on and off. Privacy is if you want your account public or private, you can turn them on and off in here. And if you want your full name public and private, turn them on and off in here. Last button is logout, that's normal if you want to log out or log in. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We have finished pretty much everything. And down here, these buttons, these numbers, how much money you have available, how much money you can, how many companies you can buy with this money, that's in here. And total money you allocated, total money you have already invested in different instrument. That's your profit loss, showing how much your net position now. If you lost, it will be minus. And equity is your total money available plus total allocated money, and then if you have any minus or plus profit altogether, it's your equity. So in other word, if you sell all of your positions now, this much money you can take out. And last button here, you can click here to change between portfolio or watch list. This button here. That's it. That's all you need to know about your Etoro platform. If you have any more question, then send me a message or leave a comment below. Okay, bye.